bacon and Dr. Pepper. And bacon, and bacon, and bacon, and bacon, and bacon.
What's that on you? You grow a beard?
Yeah. And it's
like
epic mealtime.
Really?
For my brother Zoltan's birthday.
Oh.
We got the turkey of death, crying onions.
You need some bacon?
Yeah.
What kind of bacon would you like?
Bacon. Bacon.
And what else?
Bacon.
And what else?
Toast?
Bacon. Bacon. Okay. Bacon.
It didn't have a tag on it?
Bacon.
Oh, here.
Got the bacon wallet. We got the bacon. And we are going to make a turkey bomb. So we have just deboned this turkey, flipped it inside out, and ripped out its rib cage. Now it's time to stuff it with some meats. I'm taking out these hot pockets and I'm laying them in the center of this big old bomb. Because nothing is more toxic than hot pockets.
Alright, we're gonna go to A&W real quick. We'll be right back.
All the time.
I want the crunchy bacon right on top.
Oh my goodness. What?
Crunchy bacon right on top.
That's
Go get it?
out.
Is that what you just said? Go get it?
Oh my god, it's time to unleash this bomb. Let's see if our bomb is ready. Oh my god, it went boom.
Oh my god.
Boom goes the dynamite.
It literally did go boom.
Boom goes the dynamite.
Oh my goodness. It's just in there.
Get lucky.
Yeah, so just get into me.
Get in the bacon.
White fright.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Turkey pump inside your pump.
Eating.
Super effective.
Oh my god. I want some cheesy bacon or whatever that is.
Oh, that's odd.